Welcome, book lovers. Have you ever wondered how books can alter the way you perceive the world? In this video, we will discuss 10 common and not so common books that can change your mindset and have the potential to revolutionize the way you think, act, and live. Because there are so many books to choose from, we want to provide you with a comprehensive list of books. These are books that we find powerful and have shaped many lives over the years. And we believe they can do the same for you. The books that we are going to mention are not in any particular order, so pick the ones that strike your fancy. Let's dive in. The first in our list is Think Like a Monk. It's an inspiring and empowering book written by Jay Shetty, a former monk turned motivational speaker and life coach. In this book, Shetty draws on his time as a monk in the Vedic tradition to provide practical steps that anyone can take every day to live a less anxious and more meaningful life. This book aims to help readers overcome negative thoughts and habits, access inner calm, and discover their hidden abilities. Shetty combines ancient wisdom with his own rich experiences in the ashram to guide readers toward a purposeful life. This book covers stress reduction, focus improvement, relationship enhancement, self-discipline, and sharing our unique gifts with the world. Whether you're seeking personal growth, mindfulness, or practical tools for daily life, Think Like a Monk offers valuable insights and actionable steps. Next is Mindset by Carol S. Dweck. It is a thought-provoking book that delves into the psychology of success and achievement. Dweck introduces the concept of fixed mindset versus growth mindset. These mindsets significantly impact how we approach challenges, setbacks, and learning. In this insightful book, Carol demonstrates how our perceptions of our skills and abilities may have a significant impact on our performance in virtually any pursuit, including sports, the arts, work, education, and the humanities. Individuals who have a growth mindset, or who think that abilities can be enhanced, are more likely to succeed than those who have a fixed mindset, or who think that abilities are fixed. Mindset explains how excellent educators, coaches, managers, and sportsmen may apply this concept to promote exceptional performance. Next is Master Your Emotions by Thibaut Muris. Master Your Emotions by Thibaut Muris is a practical guide that empowers readers to take control of their emotional well-being. Do you want to get over your bad emotions? Do you think you're not good enough? Do you need assistance managing your stress? Understanding how your emotions function and using particular tactics to make sure you regulate them as well as possible are the answers to dealing with negative emotions. You can have a better, more fulfilled life by learning how to deal with unpleasant emotions by reading this book. Next is Search Inside Yourself by Chade-Meng Tan. One of Google's early engineers and a pioneer in personal improvement, Chade-Meng Tan, provides a tried-and-true approach to improving emotional intelligence and mindfulness in life and at work with Search Inside Yourself. Currently, readers nationwide can gain insider access to one of the most sought-after classes in the nation, a course in health, happiness, and creativity that is enhancing the standard of living and productivity of those in charge of one of the most successful businesses in the world. Meng's job is to teach Google's brightest and best how to apply mindfulness techniques in the office and beyond. Next is Mindset Matters by Dr. Cherise. Using the 5-on-5 system of success, this guided diary is intended to assist you in transitioning from idea to action. You can become more aware, attentive of the decisions you make, and build neural connections that support the behaviors you want to form in as little as 25 minutes a day. You will be guided by each journal for 8 weeks of concentrated work. It also has sections for weekly words of encouragement, growth-oriented prescriptions, and daily reflections. This is for you if you've been trying to figure out how to connect the dots without getting overwhelmed. Next is Emotional Intelligence by Daniel Goleman. Why It Can Matter More Than IQ by Daniel Goleman delves into the concept of emotional intelligence, EQ, and its profound impact on our lives. In essence, understanding and managing emotions can significantly impact our well-being and effectiveness in life. Daniel Goleman contends that we have an excessively limited perspective on human intelligence. Our emotional intelligence is more important for thinking, making decisions, and achieving personal success than our IQ. Self-awareness, impulse control, perseverance, motivation, empathy, and social deftness are all characteristics of high achievers who thrive in relationships, handle challenging talks, and rise to the top of their careers. Goleman explains in detail how each of us may develop and enhance our emotional intelligence by drawing on fresh discoveries about the neural architecture that underpins emotion and intelligence. Next is The Code of the Extraordinary Mind by Vishen Lakhiani. The way we work, love, parent, spend money, and define success in this world is all governed by an unseen set of laws. But what if we could do away with these antiquated notions and begin again? If we could redefine what success, pleasure, and purpose meant, how would our lives look? The Code of the Remarkable Mind offers a groundbreaking paradigm for recoding ourselves with new, empowering ideas and behaviors so we can live remarkable lives. It does this by fusing evolutionary biology, computational thinking, integral theory, contemporary spirituality, and a dash of comedy. Throughout, Vishen Lakhiani offers life-changing perspectives from renowned thinkers like Richard Branson, Elon Musk, and Arianna Huffington, among others. This encourages us to think like the most innovative thinkers of our day, challenging, questioning, and formulating new guidelines for our own lives. By demonstrating to us that we do not have to follow convention and that we can succeed on our own terms regardless of where we are beginning from, Lakhiani's 10 rules enable us retrain our brains to grow and achieve more than we ever believed was possible. Next is Flow by Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi. Famous psychologist Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi's studies on optimal experience have shown that a state of consciousness known as flow is what distinguishes truly satisfying experiences. People usually feel deeply joyful, creative, and fully engaged with life when they are in flow. In this updated version of his seminal classic book, Csikszentmihalyi shows how this positive condition is not only deterministic but also controllable. Flow, the psychology of optimal experience, shows us how to find true happiness, realize our full potential, and significantly enhance our quality of life by arranging the information that comes into our consciousness. Start with Why by Sinek Simon. Sinek begins with a basic query: why are certain individuals and groups more inventive, powerful, and successful than others? Why do some command higher levels of loyalty from both clients and staff? Why can so few people, even among the successful, consistently replicate their success? According to Start With Why, the world's most influential leaders all think, act, and communicate in the same way, which is in direct opposition to how other people do these things. This profound concept, which Sinek refers to as the Golden Circle, offers a foundation for the creation of organizations, the leadership of movements, and the inspiration of individuals. And why is where it all begins. Next is Thoughts Become You by Mac Buckley. Are you prepared to reach your greatest potential for development as a person? Mac Buckley teaches you how to replace your bad beliefs with constructive ones. Find out what is holding you back and discover how to transform your life with thankfulness and optimistic thinking. Anybody trying to better their lives should read this book. If you want to check more about the books, check out the link given in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more interesting upcoming videos. To hit the notification icon to get notified of our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.